Hello everybody, welcome and welcome back to my creative crochet studio. In my last vlog I promised to you that I will answer to your questions which I received, and I'm receiving so many comments and questions as the number of views and number of subscribers is increasing. So I really try to answer to every single comment, or you leave the comments under the video tutorials. You sent me comments via WhatsApp, Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook as well. So please forgive me if I missed some comment or questions, and send me the reminder. In last several days I received many questions regarding this Dolly summer top, and also to the navy summer tank top, and the Orion mesh summer sweater, and to the Bambushka blouse. All these comments are regarding the sizing. You ask me how many chains should I chain at the beginning, or how many chains for the foundation chain for size extra large or extra small. And guys, to be honest, I'm not able to give you the correct answer, because I don't know which yarn you use, what is the composition of the yarn you use, and what crochet hook you use. So you have to send me more details, and anyway, if I have all these details, I can give you the advice, but I'm not give you the right number of crochet of chains at the beginning, because every crocheter has the different style, the different holding of the crochet hook, which very change the tension of your stitches, and also the experience, and also it depends on the tension. Usually the beginners crochet quite tight, and the final work is smaller or narrower than the original project. So even if you crochet the same number of stitches, your final measurement is narrower than mine, and lower. And also it depends on your mood. If you are tired, according to my experience, I work loosely. So the stitches are a bit longer, and the space between the stitches is wider. So pay attention to your mood, and just relax, take your time, enjoy crocheting. It's better to take more time and spend time with counting the number of stitches, with the measurement, and then I think you will be satisfied with the result. And regarding this top, you sent me also the pictures of your tops, and you are worried that your measurement at the bottom is wider than in the middle or on the top. It could happen when you crochet chain spaces. Usually the beginners crochet the chains quite tightly. So the chain or one chain is narrower than the stitch, usually in this case double crochet is so the chain is narrower than the double crochet one row below. So then your project is getting narrower and it's not very good fitting. So please pay attention also when you crochet the chains, and also mind the number of stitches. Usually if you have at the beginning chain 3, which is the stitch which is the first double crochet at the beginning, sometimes it happens that you don't count this chain 3 as a stitch, and then you are minus 1 on one side, then minus 1 on the second side, and so on and so on, and you lost so many stitches during the crocheting. So count the stitches during your crocheting when you start with the crocheting. And also consider the fit. You can crochet the summer top as a body fit or a classic fit. There is usually 1-2 centimeters ease, or oversized, which my daughter loves, for example, the oversized t-shirts. And then measure the length of the foundation chain, or better to measure 2 or 3 rows at the beginning. Guys, also it depends on the material you use. If you use the natural materials such as cotton, silk, or bamboo, usually the material when you wear your t-shirts, or where you wash it's getting bigger, a little bit bigger, let's say 10% bigger. So it's quite fine to consider that the natural material is working during the wearing it. And when you use the acrylic yarn or micro acrylic yarn, usually it's the same size as your crocheting. So this is micro acrylic, and the size I'm convinced will be the same during the whole time. So guys, this is it. I answer according to my experience. Maybe you have the different experiences, so please write a comment below this video and give us your advice how you measure the width for the summer top dolly, or some advice how you started with crocheting, and anything what could help to improve crocheting. Thank you so much. And I also received the questions about the crocheting in the airplane. I travel quite a lot, several times due to my work during the year, to London, Moscow, Budapest, Warsaw, and so many destinations in Asia, Africa, and so on. And I always take a crochet hook with me. I've never have any problem with crocheting in the airplane, and I'm so happy that I have any issue so far. And just in case, I bring only the cheaper crochet hook with me, or the wooden one, or the bamboo crochet hooks. They are quite cheaper, and they are not sharp, so I think even if the airport control and check is strict, you should be allowed to have your crochet hook with you into the airplane and using it during the flight. So guys, this is my advice regarding the traveling with the crochet hook. I love to crochet, and I try to use every spare time, and I try to use every moment which I have free. And yeah, I think it's a relax, it's a hobby, and I also crochet during my holidays, and yeah, I really enjoy it, and I really love to visit the yarn shops when I travel. For example, in Italy there are amazing, wonderful yarn shops, and also in London there is my very favorite shop, Beautiful Knitters, close to the Victoria Station. And yeah, the yarns, the skeins are amazing there. So I really recommend you to visit the yarn shops when you travel, and you can compare them with your local ones. And it's also a great souvenir, you know, to bring a skein from your traveling, and yeah, it's a quite a nice memory. So guys, this is it. If you will have any questions which you want me to answer, don't be ashamed and contact me, and I'm really happy to help and assist. So guys, I wish you really happy crocheting, and when you are the absolute beginners, I really cross my fingers to finish your project successfully, and to wear your summer tops, and you know, enjoy the wearing them, not only during the summer but all the time, all the year. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I will come back in the middle of June with some other answers, and meantime, happy crochet. Bye bye.